Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making Ofe Owerri. Hello werele, owunu nwaka. This soup is reserved for the rich. This is because of combinations of proteins that is added to this soup. It's so delicious and easy to make. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. The first step is to cook the proteins. In a pot, I'll add goat meat, stripes, dry snails, and stockfish fillets. I'll add seasoning cubes, all-purpose seasonings, and salt. I'll stir well to combine, cover and allow it to steam cook for 6 to 8 minutes before adding water. Next, I'll wash my cocoyam really well, add water to cover, and allow it to cook until soft. 8 minutes later, I check on the meat and add enough water to cook properly. While that is cooking, I'll wash my dry fish by adding hot water, allow it to sit for 3 minutes before washing. I will carefully debone it and set aside. Next, I will debone my grilled mackerel fish and set aside. The next step is to prep my vegetables, ugu and okazi. I will wash my ugu very well before slicing. Once that is done, I will set aside. Here are the other ingredients: crayfish, peppers, uziza seed, ogiri and periwinkle. At this time, the cocoyam has cooked properly and very soft. I'm going to sieve out the water, add cold water to enable me peel it very well. Once that is done, I will transfer in a blender and blend until smooth. At this time, I check on the proteins and it's 80% cooked. Next, I will add the blended cocoyam. I added palm oil while blending. I will rinse my blender and add enough water that will be enough to cook the soup. I will stir, cover and allow it to cook for at least 6 minutes. 6 minutes later, I check on the soup and add my grilled mackerel fish and dry fish, peppers, crayfish and uziza seed, ogiri. I will stir well to combine and allow it to cook for a while. At this time, I check on it and love the consistency. Next, I will add my okazi leaves and ugu, as well as the periwinkles. I will add more crayfish, stir well to combine, and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. And we are done. It turned out so delicious, you guys. Ofe Owerri, what the vibe. He who has no money does not eat Ofe Owerri. Onye na-ejighị ego anaghị eri Ofe Owerri. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!